Hey everybody, Chris Honig here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Hope y'all are doing well. Today I have for you our 2021 Scout 215 XSF. This is one of the most popular models for Scout. It's a unbelievable layout on this boat. I'm going to show you real quick on all the great features we put on this boat as well. We're going to start on the transom with our Mercury 200. This is a V6 naturally aspirated motor. Tons of torque and power and great fuel efficiency for this boat. Also have a removable ski tow bar and then a nice aft bench seat, which gives you tons of room, but then folds out to clear up all the room in the back for fishing. Nice live well in the back here, can also be used as a cooler. And then you have the upgraded leaning post with the Yeti cooler. Rod holders here, four rod holders on the back, and then 4 rocket launchers up top on your beautiful white hard top. This is a powder coat as well, so it really matches this nice boat. This is a sharp gray hull color, which is really pretty and pops really well in the water. On the dash, you have nice leaning posts. We have 3 different types of seating setups you can sit on. You can sit on top of the leaning post. You can bring these seats down, and then you can obviously lean back against them, which is my favorite style to drive in. Digital throttle and shift by Mercury. Electronic start and stop. We have electronic trim tabs with indicators. Beautiful 9-inch Garmin GPS chart plotter. Fusion Bluetooth stereo. And then a great panel with LED lights to show you when everything's on for your accessories. Also have a VHF radio on here for when you're offshore fishing. So let's step up to the front, which is the most popular layout and seating in any 21-foot boat I've seen. So you have a really nice coffin box lounger, tons of space underneath here. We have a full boat cover underneath here, and then a teak bow table, which will mount on the front. So a lot of really nice accessories on this boat. Everything stores away perfectly and then gives you tons of seating in here. In the bow, we have the removable backrests on the seating up front, and then a separated anchor locker up on the bow, and then we have rod cup holders up front as well for fishing. A 15.75-inch draft on this boat, so it can still get into really skinny water, but has a nice deep V to get you offshore and keep everybody really dry in the boat as well. If you'd like to see this boat or any of our others, please give me a call, Chris Honig, at 910-256-8100. Hope you all have a great day.